Come on to the poetry section one by one. The poet of BGC 103, Indian writing in English, and today we're going to do A.K. Ramanujam poetry. The river, yes, a river, not the river. अब a river highlight करते हैं, इमोशंस को highlight करती है. ए के रामानुजम के गुस्से को जो डिफाइन करता है कि जो नए पोइट्स है ना, ये कुछ भी नया नहीं कर रहे. दे जस्ट कॉपिंग एंड डूइंग द बेसिक दैट हैड डन अर्लियर बाय old age poets sir define करता है. In Madurai city of temples and the poets who sang the cities and temples every summer a river dries to a trickle. हर गर्मियों में एक river dry होती है, definitely पूरी तरह dry होती है. In a sand bearing the sand drips straw and woman hair. और क्या मिलते हैं? सैंड्स मिलते हैं, वुमेन हेयर मिलते हैं, बोन्स मिलते हैं, रस्टी बार्स मिलते हैं, ब्रिजेस मिलते हैं, पैचेस मिलते हैं, एंड रिपेयर ऑल ओवर देम. And the wet stones glistening the sleepy crocodile and dry ones, shaven water buffaloes logging in the sun. The poets only sang of the floods. So, फिर एक दूसरा सीजन आता है, फ्लड्स, रेनी सीजन. तब बाढ़ आती है, पूरी बाढ़ आती है, और जो नदियां सूख चुकी है ना, जो पूरी पानी से लबालब होती हैं, वो साथ वाले गांव, बाथिंग प्लेसेस, इवन द ह्यूमंस को भी लेके जाती हैं. He was there for a day when they had a flood. People everywhere talked to the inches rising on the precious number of the cobbed steps run over by the water, rising on the bathing places, and the way it carried off the three village houses. I hope you guys have the text of poetry. Please साथ में रखो ताकि आप कनेक्ट कर पाओ, दैट यू बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि सर कौन सी लाइन को कहाँ डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. आप लोगों को बड़े इजीली क्लियर भी हो जाएगा. And a pregnant woman and a couple of cows named Gopi and Brinda. देखो गोपी एंड बृंदा नाम भी अच्छे लिए इन्होंने ताकि आप कनेक्ट कर पाओ. दोनों cows के नाम गोपी एंड बृंदा along with a pregnant woman. The new poet still quoted the old poets, but no one spoke in verse. Now the pregnant woman drawn with a perhaps twins in her kicking blank was even before that. Now pregnant woman, maybe she was expecting a twins, but now it been passed out. He said the river has water enough to be poetic about only once a year, and then it carries away the first half hour. Three village houses, a couple of cows named Gopi and Brinda, and one pregnant woman expecting identical twins with no moles of their bodies. कोई मोल्स नहीं होगा उनकी बॉडीज पे कि आइडेंटिफाई कर पाए कि ये है. तो उसके लिए कह रहे विद डिफरेंट कलर डायपर्स टू टेल देम अपार्ट. तो अलग अलग कलर के डायपर्स पहनाएंगे, पता लग जाएगा ये ए और ये बी है. Now time to get explanations. So guys, be ready. A poem named River, written by A.K. Ramanujam, described the coldness of new poet towards the harsh reality of things that are romanticized. न्यू एज पोइट्स सर कुछ भी नया नहीं करते, नहीं, ये पुराने को कॉपी और पेस्ट कर देते, मतलब कुछ इन्वेंशन, कुछ अपना, कुछ भी नहीं. The poet also expressed the concern about the tradition of copying the ideas and ways of old poets by the new poets and their inability to create something which is about the present rather than past. कुछ होना चाहिए जो आज में है. आप वही क्यों बता रहे हो जो पास्ट में था? सिर्फ पास्ट को ही डिफाइन करो. दैट्स नॉट डन यार. The poet is about the river that flows through the city of Madurai. He first talks about the beauty of the river and then tells how it kicked people. The poem has been divided into four main stanzas with a different line length. Stanzas, different line length, उनको define करता है. Stanza 1. Now stanza wise clear करेंगे, and I really want you guys to be very tentative now. In Madurai, which is the city of the temple, the poet who, according to poets, sing for the beauty of the city, its temple, and the river which dries up, making the sand visible. So the river dry होते, sand visible होती पूरी. As the water flows in small streams and the sand looks like a ribs of human. ऐसा लगता है ribs of humans हैं यार, और कुछ भी नहीं, हड्डी का ढांचा है. In addition to the sand, there was the stores and women here under the bridges, having rusted bars and also patches to repair all of them. Patches भी हैं जिनको repair किया जा रहा है. And their rusty bars obstruct the free flow of water. जो रोकते हैं किसको? Free flow of water को. There are also wet stones which are shining and look like sleeping crocodiles, and those which are dry seems to be like water buffaloes, without hair relaxing in the sun. In addition, the poet have also written about the floods, the rainy season. उसने floods की बात भी की. वो rainy season में होते हैं. Rainy season से दो ही season define किया उसने यहाँ, एक rainy और एक summer. However, the poet says the poet has written only about two seasons, that means the summer and the rain, and that to describe its beauty. वही दोनों ही उसकी beauty को define करते हैं. They have not brought to their verses that loss has been inflicted on the people because of the rainy season. लोगों को impact होता है वो due to that rainy season. Stanza 2. The poet says he was there for a day. He refers to the poet himself. वो खुद को बोल रहा है. He tells that he has seen the incident when there was a flood. People everywhere talked about the rising level of water and the number of stones and bathing places in submerged river. कई bathing places पूरी तरह submerged हो गए. It also carried off the three village houses, a pregnant woman, a couple of cows, which were named Gopi and Brinda. The name is cause seems to be amusing, Gopi and Brinda. Stanza third. How are the new poets जो नए हैं, those who are in that times, जो आज के टाइम में हैं और उनको डिनर कर रहे हैं. Still quotes the old poets, and no one more even talk about the pregnant woman who was drawn with the twins in a belly who were kicking the blank walls. Even before birth, they were dried up becoming to the world. मतलब आने से पहले बेचारे डूब के मर गए. The poet imagined that twins were kicking at the wild escape but couldn't, were ultimately drawn to death with their mother. The poets were brought the tragic incident to their poems. Tragic incident को लेके आता है. The last, not the least, fourth stanza. The poet again refers to using third person he. According to him, the river is poetic in all other words. It can be romanticized only once a year. सिर्फ एक वो रेनी सीजन में रोमांटिसाइज हो सकती है. And then in just a half an hour, it takes away three houses, a couple of cow and a pregnant woman expecting twins, fair bodies, and also have thinking having diapers of different colors as distinguishes them, ताकि उनको distinguish कर पाए. The last stanza does compare the contours, the writing of the poet himself and the other poets of his age. Now, one on hand, all the other poets try to praise the beauty of the river, and the other hand, the poet himself makes a balance between the beauty and the losses inflicted on poetry by the people. This is by the poet A.K. Ramanujam. I hope you guys clear the concept.